Welcome to Knowledge Search channel. As you all know, we are in discussions related with recommender systems, which is widely used in artificial intelligence applications. It is one of the most important papers for all the artificial intelligence engineering graduates. So in this video, we will be discussing about a case study. Initially, we will be starting with discussion of the case study. I have taken here in this video an example of Netflix, which I have got some data from internet, and it was really very useful to share with you the case study related with Netflix, how they implemented the recommender system concepts in order to improve their business and as well as their revenue by reaching more number of customers and by increasing the sales margin, etc. And so initially we will be discussing about, I will be just giving you a small introduction. Then we will be going to our class. Actually in class, students will be explaining that is one of the case studies related with recommender systems, and then we will close this video. Okay, so initially what we are going to discuss in this video, that is the content overview, is nothing but, so we will be discussing about the how the users find the content. Okay, and we will be discussing about for example how the Netflix is using the recommender system in order to help the users to find the contents which they love, and leading to increased user engagement and retention. So this is what we are going to discuss all about. Then we will be discussing about user engagement and retention, what are the algorithms that are used, and how this hybrid based approaches improve the recommenders, it is hybrid based approaches in recommender system, how it improved the Netflix business. So these are all the contents which we are going to discuss in this particular video. So let's move on. So hi, so here I have this has been divided into three different topics. That is primary goal. What is the primary goal of the Netflix, which is using the recommender system? What are the algorithms that are used, and how they implemented this hybrid approach, with some examples we are going to see. So this is what the overall picture of this, and finally we will be having some discussions in the classroom, and we will be closing this video. So going again, you can see that the Netflix recommender system is a very good classical example, because its primary goal is to help the users to find the content which they love. This has led to increase in user engagement and retention. So it's not about just struggling or suggesting similar shows. It is a sophisticated mix of algorithms which we consider actually. So here I just want to convey that there are three different things which we want to discuss. That is, one is user behavior, content metadata, and finally the contextual signals. What do you mean by user behavior? What do you mean by user behavior? User behavior is nothing but it includes what you watch, what you rate, and what you search for, and how long you watch a title. So these are all the user behavior that will be considered for suggestions. The next is content metadata. What is the content metadata? This is nothing but the information about the content itself. For example, the actors, the information about the actors, the information about gender, the information about the release date, tags, etc. So these are all called as a metadata. And the third one is contextual signals. For example, the time of the day, the device you are using, your location. So everything influences what's going to be recommended. So from this we understand that it's a mixer. Okay, that is the algorithm of mixer is used for the Netflix in order to determine the better outcome. So you know that the Netflix is also using a hybrid approach. It combines collaborative filtering as well as the content based filtering. Collaborative filtering in the sense, what do you mean by collaborate? It is recommending the content based on what similar users have watched. That is called as collaborative filtering. Then what do you mean by content based filtering? It recommends content similar to what you have liked in past. That is called as content based. So a user who watches a lot of romantic movies might see a thumbnail for a Stranger Things featuring shows of romantic leads. Is it clear? So hope you're all clear with how this Netflix is using the recommender system, that is a hybrid recommender system related with collaborative filtering and content based filtering in order to improve the search and giving the better output for the researchers. So now we will move on with the classroom.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we have with us Krishna, Madhusudan and Suman. In this video we will be discussing about collaborative filtering methods for the subject of recommender systems. As you all know, collaborative filtering methods are playing very vital role in filtering. That is according to the user needs, according to the item needs. So every user will be having their own specific taste and their own specific variety of thoughts. So based on that, the recommender systems will be providing which is the best search for that particular user. So that's what is all about the recommender system. There are any number of algorithms that has been developed so far, and the algorithms play a very vital role, and day the algorithms are getting better and better. And today we will be discussing about the collaborative filtering model, which is one of the oldest model. But these are the pillars actually. There are many pillars of recommender system. Only with this collaborative filtering models, newer the hybrid recommender system models have been developed. So this is the basic model which has been done. So here in collaborative filtering methods, what happens is why it is called as collaborative. The thing is because see, we are for a specific user, if we want to impute something, we are going to take that particular data from the multiple users. That's why it is called as collaborative. Collaborative means we have to have discussion among various people. So that's why it is called as collaborative. So we are naming it as collaborative. Collaborative in the sense we are taking from multiple users in order to impute. It is called as collaborative. So here the major challenge is the matrix is sparse. Okay, that's the major challenge. As you know that only a specific variety of things can be created when compared to the worldwide available data and items of users. So because of this, the matrix is sparse, and sparse matrix is very, very difficult to solve. So that's the challenge, real challenge comes actually. So for example, there are many applications, other like movie applications, where we giving the ratings like everything. And similarly, anyway, our students will be explaining now in detail regarding this collaborative filtering methods. Now let us go with Krishna. Can you tell me why it is called as collaborative actually?
So this collaborative filtering is called multiple users because each user has their own characteristic, and based on their characteristic, the users give their own ratings to them. So based on the rating, we will classify each products or recommendations by this user characteristics. And this multiple users involved in that. This is why it is called a collaborative filtering.
So as Krishna said, multiple users are involved in this called as collaborative filtering. So now, Madhusudan, can you tell me what is the challenge actually? So as we know that there are many challenges out there, but one of the most important challenges, what is the most important challenge in collaborative?
Yes, sir, of course. So in this world, plenty of movies there. So a number of movies are in this world available. So some users only review for some movies. So in this situation, it is very difficult to handle this challenge because in this backend there are many of matrix in the particular system. So it is too complicated to recommend
to the users.
So as Madhusudan said, it is a sparse matrix because in order to solve that matrix, the most of the values in the particular matrix will be unspecified or it will be zero. Only a few values of the matrix will be computed. So we have to choose some algorithm in order to solve this particular problem. This is a sparse matrix. That is the problem. Now I will go to Mr. Suman. Can you tell me what are the different any examples are there? Can you just elaborate on some of the examples in order to justify this collaboration?
Yes, of course. If we are moving to an entertainment field, we choose the Netflix. There are multiple users and multiple subscribers on the Netflix platform. Many of the users decided to watch many movies and many web series in different genres, but few of them are giving the reviews like I like the movie, I not like the movie, like I very much like. That is the way it recommends to other people. But it was the amount of very small fraction. In example, so if we take thousands of users in a specific region, only few users like 100 of people only rating the movies. Some of them are not rating them. So by that we cannot recommend some more movies and it makes very sparse problems. As the way if we are taking the e-commerce website also, there are many buyers in the e-commerce platform like Amazon and Flipkart. If I'm buying a new earphone in both companies, some of them have reviewed and some of them have not reviewed. If the buyers are in a large amount, like 1 lakh people buy the same product, but only few of them will be reviewed and many of the reviews like very positive reviews and negative reviews, but the fraction of the reviews was very small. That's the reason we are following this approach.
So really very good interaction in this video. So thank you very much to the team in order to have insight about collaborative filtering models. So thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. I hope this video has given a very good insights of case studies in recommender system with Netflix based examples. So if you really like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please let me know. And as well, if you really like this video, that it will be useful to someone, and please share it. As well, if you really like the videos which I post in this channel, please subscribe to this channel, which will motivate me to put more such videos in future. So thank you very much, and thank you.